show you what a customer gave us the other day. We've been to her house 3 different times. I've asked her about the old car, but I asked her for it for Ted up at Stevens Performance. I figured they'd want the parts off of it, not the body. I asked her this time and she told me I could have it, or we could have it. Just get it out of her driveway.
Okay, this car's been here for a while, at least since 2015, and Ted just had to have it. It was like the car that he would have had when he was a teenager. So he talked my granddaughter into taking him over there, and they bought the darn thing and brought it home, and I was so darn mad. Just another thing in the yard.
Has it been sitting in the same spot?
Oh yes, it's been sitting in the same spot. I think it was driven twice.
So it's been sitting in that spot right there?
Yep. Yep. Blocking my view.
So he only drove it twice?
Yeah.
And it's just been sitting here?
Yep. Yeah, it needed brakes.
So don't take off in it till we at least get some brakes on.
That's right. But hopefully you guys will clean it up, and you never know, it might be just the gem you need.
But it's a 1966 Newport. What'd we say it was on the door?
A town sedan?
Yeah. Town sedan. You see it's in pretty good shape on the inside. It shows 81,000 and some odd miles for, and I'm pretty sure by the brake pedal and the gas pedal, it's 81,000 and not 181,000.
It had the build sheet on it. This car cost $4,395 brand new. It's got air conditioner, power brakes, and power steering.
How good the headliner still is.
You can see the seats has been cooked, sitting in the sun.
Yeah, they're not wore out, they're cooked. And it's a 383. I took this out the other day and rat's nest fell out, but I thought, nah. When I first opened it, that's what I was wondering, if they got in on the carburetor. I'll knock some of this stuff off before I clean it. Yep.
Oh, good grief.
And see, nothing happened in the carburetor. They didn't chew in the filter. I'll clean all that out. Let's see. Ain't hooked to nothing.
They had field day up in there.
Yeah, they did. Just glad they didn't get into the carburetor. There we go.
And the body's pretty straight. We don't see any missing parts.
Still had one place on the rear bumper.
Still got the hubcaps. When we clean it up, we might find something different, but so far I haven't found any major items. It looks like right here on the bumper, somehow they caught it and tore it, but I don't see any other body damage. It didn't touch anything else. I bet it's so long they pulled in a drive somewhere and pulled it back or something. But when I was researching, it showed this window right here made it a little more rare. I think it's about 9,000 of them made. But we're going to try to clean her up.
We'll see if the motor will turn over and see if it's going to be a parts car at Ted's, or we're going to start driving.
I'd like for it to... It was parked running, it just didn't have any brakes. Still has no brakes at all. Absolutely.
Got brand new, I noticed it is brand new tires that was on it. He probably bought it, put some brand new tires, and after he drove it a little bit, the brakes went out on it and he parked it.
And I think they say, well, this one says 13. So they're 12 years old.
Well, I'm fixing to spray this stuff.
We'll see how she'll clean up. Because you can't even see through the windows. Before it gets wet, I'm going to stick this under the car. It was manufactured in Delaware, so it's got an undercoating already on it. Watch the magic happen. You cleaned up good, yeah. Yeah, back in this time, it's like they had style.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, did you see anything once you got the stuff off?
No, I didn't see no dent. Didn't see only a little rust, and that ain't like that there, and it's not through. That looks like surface rust. Gonna figure out how to get the trunk open.
Yeah, I bet somebody caught this back corner.
Yeah.
Because it didn't catch anything else. There's a little bit. It looks like it's not coming through yet.
Yeah.
But like it wants to. The paint's a little thin.
Yeah.
You can see through
And
it.
I'm sure that's what come with it. Patina. Well, the next thing will be is to see if it'll run. It's starting to get hot. It's 4th of July. We're fixing to go eat. Sometime this weekend, I'm gonna see if the motor will turn over, and then that'll decide the next step. If I can get it turned over, then we'll go buy a battery for it. Well, y'all, thanks for watching. This is 1966 Chrysler Newport. Y'all hang around and see what we're gonna do with it next. Thanks for watching.